Today, we are going to learn how to create an interactive verification code. First, let's create the Send button as a dynamic panel. We'll add two states to the dynamic panel, one for the Send button and the other for a countdown button, which will be disabled. Change the text to 10 and add a disabled style effect to it. Set it to disabled by default. Next, add a click interaction to the dynamic panel and set its state to state 2. Then, we'll add a panel state changed interaction. Here, we need to add a condition, if the state of this is equal to state 2. Wait for 1000 milliseconds. Set the button text for state 2 to target.text 1. Add a fire event, select this, and then select panel state changed. Now, let's add an else if condition. Select text on widget, choose button 10, select is less than, and choose 0. Set the state of this dynamic panel to state 1 and set the text of button 10 to 0. After that, we'll adjust the order of the conditions. Here, we'll change is less than to equal, so that once the countdown reaches 0, the user can resend the verification code immediately. Preview the prototype. Click the Send button, and you'll see the countdown start. You won't be able to click the Send button again until the countdown finishes. Once it's over, you can send a new verification code. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.